Okay, let's reprint admission form and admission letter, perhaps. Maybe admission form first. So to reprint admission form, you go to admissions link. It will take you to the admissions page. Okay, here we are. So reprint, you go to your particular level, program level. To reprint both of them, you go to reprint. For admission letter, you choose this one. For admission form, you choose this. It's as simple as that. Let's say we choose admission letter. Enter the remitter number. For undergraduate, is the remitter for the 5,000 naira you paid at the bank. For postgraduates, it's 7,500 naira you paid at the bank. And for PhD, it's 10,000 naira. The 10,000 naira remitter. So you enter the number here without hyphen. Just enter the number. You don't need to be including all the hyphen there. No. Just enter the 12 digits remitter number and submit. Once you submit it, you will get the PDF version of your admission letter. It's very important that once you get admission, you do this so that you keep records of your documents electronically and physically too. You can print them. So that's how it's done. Postgraduates, reprints. You can see the admission letter and form. This one from 2020, previous semesters. So actually, these are basically for current semesters. Those that got admission newly, that's how it works. That's how it works. So that's it. You reprint your form and your admission letter.